Hello and welcome to the weekly wrap video. Just a couple of things to catch up on from the past 5 trading sessions. US equity markets have fallen since Monday's open as the post-FOMC euphoria has completely faded as attention turns on to the potential US government shutdown and the US debt ceiling. So the S&P 500 has cemented itself below 1700, well ahead of Friday's close. So if no last-minute deal is reached between the Republicans and the Democrats on a US debt ceiling raise, then we could see a full government shutdown in the US, but it is expected some emergency measures could be passed in order to allay any of those full furloughs going through in their entirety. Nonetheless, equity markets taking the brunt, falling pretty markedly since Monday's open, with just Thursday registering a green close over on Wall Street. Elsewhere, though, in Europe, Italian political tensions continue to bubble higher as the centre-right coalition, that's the PDL, have a full list of ministers that are more than willing to hand in their resignation should the former Premier Berlusconi be ousted from holding public office, which could potentially force the current Italian PM Letta into early elections. As such, we've seen the 10-year yield in Italy surge across the past 5 days. In fact, the risk premium for Italy becoming higher than that of Spain. And on a final note this week, towards the early half of the 5-day period, there was some speculation that the ECB could move to inject further liquidity into the Eurozone via further LTROs. As such, we did see some weakness in the euro currency and some declines in money market rates. However, this has been pretty much fully reversed into Friday's close as those speculative bets are pulled back, as a number of analysts point out that injecting liquidity into the Eurozone banking system ahead of a potential asset quality review would endanger moral hazard and is not necessarily a likely option. As such, money market rates have risen back towards the opening levels on Monday. Same case there for the euro-dollar currency pair, well above 135. In the meantime, that's all from me. I hope you've had a great 5 days of trade, and I hope you have an even better weekend.